Well, all this week, your WPBF 25 News crew is getting off the anchor desk and trying something new.
Some very different things. Felicia and I headed out west and went to work on a dairy farm in Okeechobee.
Yeah, as you can imagine, it was a big culture shock for two city girls like Shelly and I who never milked cows before. Good morning.
How are you?
Good to
Shelly,
see you,
good
Jacob.
to see you.
Thank you.
Welcome to Larson Dairy.
Does it always smell like this?
Yes, yes.
You get used to it though, huh?
I don't really know what you're talking about.
Really?
The second you step out of the car, you know exactly where you are.
Yeah.
Let's get you sized up for some gloves.
Okay.
We'll dip the cow's teats with a 1% iodine dip to disinfect the teats. Shelly, why don't you take this one?
She's trying to kick. Hold on, Mama.
So it mimics our hands going just like this. So it's not constantly just pulling milk.
I'm afraid.
She's not going to bite you.
She's not going to bite you, but she might kick you.
Oh, I got it. I got milk. I did it.
Hey, Shelly, that's good. You don't have to do them all. I know
Okay.
you're enjoying yourself.
Don't do that. Oh! You're right, it is warm milk. No, it doesn't even want to milk. No fair.
Okay, you got me back.
Okay, it's time to feed up. You girls came to work. I need you all to push this cart and follow me.
Oh, geez. Shelly. All right, guys, it's feeding time.
I push like I drive.
Move.
He's saying move it along. Oh, you're so beautiful. I love you.
So why are bulls so mean?
Some of them are, some of them aren't.
This one's so cute, though.
Yeah,
Hi.
he's pretty relaxed right now.
Hi, fella. Hi. We're gonna crash.
Or is count as the workout for the day? Yeah.
Aw.
I milked a cow.
You did a
at
great
Larson
job.
Dairy.
Thank you so much, Jacob. We had so much fun.
Wow.
If I could put a cow in my pocket, I would have taken home several of them that day.
That one just loved you.
And then I walked away and he started mooing like, Mama.
I'm like, Shelly, it's not a baby, it's a calf. Let's go.
You ladies really dressed the part, too, I
Yes,
see.
we
It
did.
was
We got
nice.
into it, and Jacob Larson was wonderful. Special thanks to Jacob, as well as to his grandfather, Red, his father, Red, who, I mean, he was just wonderful. I mean, they allowed us in and, you know, teased us, but we had a good time.
Yeah, we worked hard, but it was really fun.